Hey CHA family, welcome to another episode of Cooking with the Sheps. I'm Chef Shep, and to my right I have
Shephard Jr.
Today we're going to show you how to make easy fudge. You can use simple ingredients that you have in your pantry or in your cabinets. Today we're going to use
semi-sweet chocolate chips, but you can use any chocolate chips of your choice. We have Nutella, sweet condensed milk. Can't
make
get
sure
it
it's
wrong.
sweet. It has to be sweet.
You have to use creamy peanut butter. That's our choice. That's our choice. It's natural. You can find it at the store. Take it on.
Alright, so some other things that you might need. You might need a bowl, a spoon, measuring cup, and something to put the fudge in. Alright, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and add 2 cups of chocolate chips. Chef Shep, if you could pour it, and then I'll go ahead and pour it in. Shake, 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 shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, and boom. Give me one more. Shake, shake, shake. Keep going, keep going. And is there any more left in there?
If you want, you can do this. You can eat chocolate chips out of the thing. But feel free to add more than what we do.
It'll be all right. You can always add more. All right, so what are we going to do next, Chef Shep Jr.?
So what we need to do is we need to microwave this.
We're going to go ahead and microwave it for about 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, we're going to pull it out the microwave. We're going to check to make sure that it's melted. If it's not melted, then we're going to go ahead and we're going to microwave it again for another 30. All right, Chef Shep, go ahead and take it away.
30 seconds later.
All right, so we've done our first 30 seconds. As you can see, it's not ready yet. So we're going to blast it with another 30
seconds later. 30 seconds later.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so it's been a minute and a half, and as you can see, our chocolate is looking nice and melted. So, Chef Shep, please continue mixing up.
So, if y'all use a blender, you're cheating. This is participation, not observation. If y'all want to look like a rock, do this.
All right, Chef Shep, it looks like we're all mixed up there.
So, next thing we're going to do is we're going to add half a cup of Nutella.
Excellent. Let me go ahead and get that.
Here you go. Chef.
All right.
So next you're going to have to add the sweet condensed milk.
Excellent.
So, you're going to add that. And it should look super creamy.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. All right. If you want to go ahead and take that over to the trash for me. Sweet. So now that we've added the condensed milk, you're going to have to get a good stir. Now's the time when we're starting to get that nice fudgy texture. It's going to be nice and thick. Now, my favorite part, we're going to go ahead and add this peanut butter. Now, there's really no measurement for this. It's just add however much you need.
Your choice.
Exactly. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to stir it in. And after we get through mixing this all together, we're going to pour it into our wonderful bowl here. Whew. Okay, family, it's time. We're done mixing the fudge. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like now. Yes, it looks wonderful. I can just eat it, but I'm not. Chef Shep Jr., what do we need to do now?
You need to pour it in the bowl, and then we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours or until it's really firm.
All right, you going to pour or am I going to pour?
You're going to pour.
All right.
So, as you can see now, it looks like a brownie.
All right, CHA family, we finally have everything into the bowl. You know it's ready when it has a nice sheen.
Yes, sir.
All right, that's been another episode of Cooking with the Sheps. We look forward to seeing you guys next time. I am Chef Shep.
I'm Chef Shep Jr.
All right, see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.